ago if somebody told me aliens were gonna blow up the planet, but I'd get to meet you.
Oh, okay. Now? Kind of a weird time, but... Go save the planet, Maddie!
I got this. I may not be smart. The only real job I ever had was letting scientists spray perfume in my eyes. So yeah, I may not be good at lists or like planning how I'm gonna get home from places.
Okay, cool! Earth is counting on you.
But if there's one thing I can do, it's bring the high heat.
That boy did it. He destroyed the alien hive mind.
Now that's what I call a home run.
Now what do we do?
Now, we rebuild. Or whatever.
Okay, so now I'm just fully naked. And that's the guy who defeated me.
Thanks to you, a small, precious piece of humanity survived. But these people are gonna need someone to lead them. President Mulligan?
I like the sound of that, Senator. And I know exactly who I want to be my first lady.
The grenade pin. It's like a fairy tale, because we just met, and before that I was unconscious for a while.
Don't worry, me and Lucy are gonna fix everything. I should have stayed awake in school more.
Maddie, Mr. President, is inflammable the same as flammable or the opposite? Okay, it's the same. English is funny, right?